Okay, time now is 15:07 on the Thursday the 29th of April 2021. We're waiting for that train there, which is your slightly delayed 14:51. Slightly delayed 14:51 to Romeo 36 southeastern service from London Charing Cross to Ramsgate, and also for your slightly early 15:19 5 Yankee 78 southeastern service from Ramsgate to Dover Priory. This could be a double pass, it could be not. Let's go and visit this wigwag. Okay, here comes the stopper. No sign of travelling yet. 375630. Sorry, 620. Okay, and here comes the travelling. Three 75620 to 375813. To Ramsgate via Sandwich. And we've got 395. Double 009 Rebecca Adlington, which has just started speeding up because of the 14:43 delayed. 395009 to Ramsgate, and up they go. Sorry, to Dover. Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next video.